Hi everyone, this is Romero. Today's video is what's the difference between the humans and wild animals. The thing about wild animals is every time they make some kind of a mistake, it actually becomes fatal and they usually die because if they didn't see some danger right away, they can actually pay with their lives with this. And according to our evolution, we actually came from the similar background and our instincts actually dictate most of the time you shouldn't fail, you shouldn't. So we tend to not to put some kind of ambitious goals, and because we're so afraid of failures, we're so afraid of other people telling us ha ha blah blah blah, and that's why we try to be like in a safe zone. And my take on this is if you want to really be successful, you have to think like 180. You have to think completely in opposite direction, because every time you're failing, you're actually coming closer to your goal. I would actually give an example of when you're trying to pick a lock, and every time you're actually hitting some kind of a way and you eliminating that possibility, you're coming, which each try you're actually coming close, and in the end the lock unlocks and you actually achieve your goal. And I feel like you should also think about failures in a way that they're actually making your goal closer to you, and don't think about like how you look, how many people laugh, and how many time you fail, because it doesn't really matter. Nobody actually sees it, and you're not really animal. You're not gonna die. Those like things like losing your face and losing your reputation and being like laughed at is actually something that only like little people do. And if you think that you want to be successful, please make some kind of ambitious goals, do some steps, fail on them, and then you get better and then better, and then you will eventually achieve those goals. So that's my take on the actually, if you think about, there's some really nice movie called Zootopia, and every time the rabbit failed at something, somebody was screaming like, you're dead, you're dead. So yeah, in the animal world, every time you fail, you're dead. But in the human world, every time you fail, you're actually getting closer. So please don't be afraid of making mistakes, set ambitious goals, and just keep closing your distance to your goal. That's my take for today. Thank you for watching me, and bye bye. See you next time.